Alright, so I'm gonna make this quick because my camera's about to die, but I've been at the charging station here for a little since the incident. But what you're about to see, it's not too dramatic, but pretty trippy. I was driving and on the freeway, I have some other clips. I didn't know the camera was rolling, but this screen right here just went black on me while I was driving, even on the freeway. It started with the music going out, and then from the music, you know, other things started glitching. There was like a staticky noise, and I recorded some pieces that I could, but then finally this went black right when I got on the freeway. I had to do a hard reset, which was just holding this button and this button down at the same time, and that was pretty much it. But it was a pretty trippy experience, pretty scary. I think it was because of the low battery. I'm really not too sure what it was. I want to go look it up now while I'm waiting for this car to finish, but I got to take it for a drive right now. So that was pretty interesting. The car has 4,000 miles, I believe. Yeah, 4,100 miles on it, 2018. And you know, this screen was working the whole time. This didn't go out until I did the hard reset, but the hard reset fixed it. But that was a really trippy experience. You know, I don't know, it was, oh, what's it called, my turn signals, I would flip them up and down and nothing was coming on. Like I couldn't hear if it was clicking or not. I didn't know what was happening. I couldn't tell what speed I was at. It was pretty trippy, but it seems like it's working good so far. If anything does change, I will try to record it. So let me try to save my camera battery here. If not, well, hope you guys enjoy the rest of it. So same drive, but now I turn the backup camera on to see what's behind me, and it's just super laggy. As you can see, it's stalling pretty bad. I'm about to stop here, so you'll see when I'm fully stopped, when it shows up with the car that's behind me, you kind of see it. Yeah, now it's just frozen. But yeah, for some reason, I don't know if it's because the battery's low. I'm going to the charger right now, but jeez. But yeah, everything else is moving really slow on the computer. I'm not trying to play with anything. Like I said, if I press a button, it brings up the doors button for some reason. So kind of sketching out here. See what happens. Yo, you have to be kidding me right now. The dash just went dark on me. Fuck. Yeah, so that just happened. I'm on the freeway right now. And there's no dashboard coming up. Great. This is awesome. I don't even want to try to put hopefully this screen doesn't go out on me. That would blow dick. Well, you see, it's not even moving. Shit, I need to know where it's going to take me.
In 500 feet, take exit 142 on the right onto Colorado Street. In 500 feet, take exit 142 on the right onto Colorado Street.